Hello and welcome to this fifth video in our series for registered social care workers, social care managers and those working in the social care field. This video is going to explore the ebooks that we have available in the NHS Wales e-library, how to access them and how to navigate some of the platforms. Now, if you're starting from the NHS Wales e-library website and you have already signed in with Open Athens, as we are covered in another video, then all you need to do is navigate to the ebook section, which can be found either here or under resources and by selecting ebooks. I'm just going to select ebooks here. This web page will tell you a bit more about the ebooks that we have available to you, a list of the different platforms that you can find, more information on how to download ebooks should you wish to do that, and how to sign in and any more help guides. Now I'm going to search for a book title that I know that I would like. So I'm going to search for social work theory in practice. And you can see here that we do have access to this book and we have it available online. So if you click online access and select the platform that it's available on, so in this case eBook Central ProQuest, that will take you through to the platform to allow you to open the book, read it online and do a variety of other things that we will show you now. We always recommend that you choose the read online option for an ebook rather than downloading it. The reason for this is when you download an ebook, you require additional software in order to read it. The download of an ebook can't be completed through a Kindle. You can download onto an iPad or similar, but unfortunately not with Kindle. So that, again, that's why we recommend that you read online when it comes to ebooks. So if you select read online, it's quite big. You can minimize here as well, so you can zoom out of the book itself. Now, you can either choose to read the book from cover to cover if that's what you prefer, or you can go to the table of contents if there was just a chapter that you were interested in, for example, theories of systems and relationships. The other thing that you can do is search within the book. So, for example, you could search for the term autism. And then it will highlight where in the book you can find information on autism. So here you go, chapter 14, learning disabilities and autism. And then it will tell you the specific pages where autism is mentioned. So for example, if you were looking for a quote or a reference that you wanted to use in a paper, then this would be a really nice feature for you. The other thing you can do, and I'm just going to go to a different chapter now, I'm going to go to chapter 3. You can use a lot of the features along the top here. One of those features is highlighting. So for example, if you were you wanted to keep track of some of the key bits of information that you wanted to use for an assignment or for a policy or what have you, you can highlight certain areas of the book, and you can even change the colour. So if you wanted to change it to blue or pink, these highlights will stay in the book. So next time you log in to access this ebook, all of the annotations that you make will be saved. The other thing you can do is add a note. So for example, and save. That'll add a note to your page. You can flag a page or bookmark a page so you know you want to come back to that in the future. And they're the sort of key features that you can do when it comes to the ebook platforms. Another thing you can do is print or save pages. So if, for example, I wanted to print this page, you can go to print, and you can either print the current page, or if you wanted to print a range of pages, you can do that. There are limitations as to how much you can print. So it's usually 5% of a book or one chapter. So it'll tell you here you can print a maximum of 47 pages for this particular book. I'm not going to actually print because I don't have a printer connected, but the idea is you continue and then you can print the pages that you require. You can also download to PDF, so you can download the current chapter and you can choose the citation style. So if it was Harvard, for example, continue, and then you can download the chapter. Again, when it comes to downloads, you can only download one chapter for any copyright works. There is the option again to get the citation. So you can choose the option here. If you were looking at Harvard, then you can copy and paste this citation into your bibliography or into your reference list. Again, we just recommend that you double check the citation, that it conforms to your style guide that you're using, or it conforms to the methods that you're already using. So it all follows the same process. I'm just going to go back to library search here, just so you can see the other types of resources that you can access. Obviously, we've looked for a specific title, but you could just search for social care and see what we have on the subject of social care. So we've got 122 books with that term in the title: system leadership, a handbook for support workers in health and social care, person-centered approach. So there's a range of different resources that are available to you here. As always, if you find that we don't have an ebook that you require, or you feel that would be an important addition to the collection, you can always make that recommendation to us. If you click to the e-library here, taking you back to our website, go to Have Your Say and Recommendations. You can let us know about the resource name, why it's important to you, why you feel like we should have it. Let us know. That will get added to our recommendation list, and then the person responsible for procuring that particular resource will review it in time for the next round of procurement. Thank you so much.